Ensure a secure and dependable connection for your ignition system with the ACCEL HEI battery and tachometer pigtail harnesses, designed to eliminate the problems caused by obsolete spade terminals that can loosen or fall off and disrupt your engine's performance. From the moment you install these harnesses, you gain peace of mind knowing that both your battery and tachometer connections are color-coded for easy identification and housed within a connector that guarantees a tight, positive fit. Each harness features a locking tab and shark fin design, ensuring a reliable and durable connection between your wiring and HEI distributor. Constructed from high-temperature plastic rated above 250 degrees, these connectors withstand heat and maintain integrity under demanding conditions. The included two 10-inch leads provide ample length for a clean, professional installation without unnecessary splicing or modification, making the harness ideal for both restorations and performance upgrades. Designed for enthusiasts and mechanics seeking a hassle-free, dependable solution, the ACCEL HEI pigtail harness streamlines wiring tasks and prevents common ignition failures associated with aging spade terminals. The battery wire is heavy gauge, capable of handling the necessary current for stable performance, while the green tachometer wire is sized appropriately to maintain accurate RPM readings. This thoughtful engineering ensures that your ignition system functions consistently, whether on the street or the track. Installation is straightforward, with minimal tools required, making it accessible for DIY enthusiasts and professional installers alike. The color-coded wires eliminate guesswork, while the locking mechanism and shark fin prevent accidental disconnections, ensuring continuous engine operation. Users report that the harness provides a secure, long-lasting connection, improving both reliability and confidence when starting or operating the vehicle. If you want to upgrade your ignition wiring for better safety, durability, and reliability, the ACCEL HEI battery and tachometer pigtail harness is a smart and practical choice. Click the link in the video description to view current availability and pricing, and subscribe to the channel to discover more essential automotive wiring solutions and performance upgrades.